Meaning of horn-rimmed.
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 Horn-rimmed. Horn-rimmed refers to glasses or eyewear frames that are made from horn or a material that imitates the look of horn. These frames became popular in the 1940s and were commonly associated with intellectual or studious individuals, such as professors or librarians. Today, horn-rimmed glasses remain a popular fashion accessory and can be found in a variety of styles and materials. The classic look of these glasses is characterized by thick, dark frames that encircle the lenses and give the wearer a serious, thoughtful appearance.